Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to prepare Fire TV before installing Chrome. Start now by enabling developer options and turning on ADB debugging, because sideloading requires it. Once done, enable apps from unknown sources for the downloader app so the system will accept APKs. Next, open the Amazon App Store and install Downloader. This app fetches APK files directly. While you install, make sure your Fire TV and phone or PC are on the same network to transfer files. You will now fetch and install Chrome. Use Downloader to enter the APK URL or transfer the file from your PC using ADB or FTP. This avoids hunting for installers. After the download finishes, run the APK installer and accept the permissions it requests. That step writes the app onto the device. Once Chrome is installed, make sure you can control it. Install Mouse Toggle or pair a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard, because the Fire remote often lacks precise pointer control needed for full Chrome navigation. Open Chrome and sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks and passwords. This makes the experience familiar. Next, adjust display and scaling in Fire TV settings and use Chrome's menu to request desktop site when needed for proper page layouts. If you can't find Chrome in the main apps row, move it to the front via settings. If you run into a crash or blank screen, clear app data and cache or reinstall the APK, and make sure apps from unknown sources is still enabled before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.